What's up? Welcome back to my videos. If you're new here, like, subscribe, turn notifications, turn on the bell, and leave a comment at the top. Sorry it's dark out here. Trying not to blind nobody. I put like clear duct tape on my flashlight, and I took an orange permanent marker and color the first piece of duct tape, the clear duct tape. Then I put a second layer of clear duct tape on it and color again dark with orange, so I can have a tint on my flashlight. And I gotta see where I'm going. Sorry. I'm gonna be doing a video tomorrow where I'm walking in the woods. I'm gonna be going hiking, so get ready for that video tomorrow. Be safe out there wherever you go. Hang on. If y'all want me to bring back the spicy food challenges, leave a comment at the top and I'll heart your comment and get back to you. When I get mine and my brother's car fixed, I'll be doing abandoned houses videos, graveyard videos, abandoned building videos, probably August 1st. Then August 3rd, I might be doing the spicy food challenges, so get ready for them too. I'm gonna go hiking tomorrow in the woods, so get ready for that video. Peace. Be safe out there wherever you go, and I'm out. Bye.